Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ghost Touch. Ghost Touch is when your device registers touches that aren't actually happening, making it seem like a ghost is operating your screen. This can be incredibly frustrating, causing apps to open randomly or text to type on its own. It's usually a sign of an underlying issue, often related to the screen's electrical signals or its physical condition. Understanding its causes is the first step to addressing it. Several factors commonly lead to ghost touch. One major cause is physical damage to your screen. Even tiny hairline cracks can interfere with touch sensitivity. Software issues, such as bugs in your operating system or specific applications, can also trigger it. Furthermore, environmental conditions like high humidity, extreme cold, or even static electricity can confuse your device's touch sensors, leading to these phantom inputs. Keeping your device updated helps prevent many software-related problems. To safely simulate Ghost Touch for understanding, you can try a simple method. First, ensure your device is clean and dry. Then, gently rub a dry, soft cloth across your screen for about 10 to 15 seconds. This action can build up a small amount of static electricity on the screen's surface. Observe if your device registers any phantom touches or exhibits erratic behavior without you physically touching it. This demonstrates how external electrical interference can confuse the touch panel. Preventing ghost touch involves a few key practices. Always keep your screen clean and dry, as moisture or dirt can interfere with touch sensitivity. Regularly update your device's operating system and applications to fix known bugs and improve performance. If you suspect physical damage, like a cracked screen, it's best to seek professional repair. Sometimes, a simple restart can temporarily resolve minor software glitches. Protecting your device with a good case and screen protector also helps prevent future issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.